This is Val getting ready for bathing suit inside the comfort room with a ghost fighter inside. He is camping outside and sleeping outside, bringing the pillow and the blanket because the doorknob last night is moving and turning. he is a Meta, the ghost fighter, and he is sleeping at the water station last night.
I'm a street fighter, not a ghost fighter.
Hey Joe,
So,
have you met the ghost fighter?
no.
Is there a
I make sure that he will come on me.
is a girl or a boy? Is the ghost fighter a girl or a boy? A man or a woman?
I'm expecting a woman.
If a ghost fighter coming inside the room, I will pulverize him. I'm still sleepy and sleeping sound, but this Bal Pajardo over there is very unrestful last night because of the ghost fighter. That is why he camping, bringing the pillow and the blanket over there, and he's camping with Nanding outside. He is sleeping with Nanding outside. This is your broadcaster, Stephen Lloyd Daniel is signing up. Thank you.